Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Realme Narzo 50. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter Google Classroom. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. Get started, add account or use already existing one. Click on this plus button and then join the class. Enter the class code which you should be provided with. After that, click join and you'll be joined with the class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.